Welcome back to Learn English with Ease. We are very happy you are here today.
Today's background feels warm and colorful.
Yes, it looks like a beautiful old town near the sea.
The small houses and palm trees make it feel like a holiday place.
It looks like a place where people come to relax and travel.
And today's topic is perfect for this background.
Before we start, I want to say your outfit looks very nice today.
Thank you. I chose something light and comfortable, like a traveler.
Very good choice. So, Anna, how are you today?
I'm feeling excited. Talking about travel always makes me happy. How about you?
I'm feeling relaxed and ready to travel, at least in our conversation.
Then let's begin.
Part 1. Basic travel questions. When you travel, you need simple English.
Yes, you don't need difficult words.
For example, at the airport, you can say, "Where is the check-in counter?"
Or, where is gate number 5?
If you don't understand something, you can say, "Sorry, can you repeat that?"
Or, can you speak more slowly, please?
These simple sentences are very useful.
And very polite.
Part 2. Checking into a hotel. When you travel, you need to talk about hotels.
Yes, this is very important when traveling.
When you arrive, you can say, "Hello, I have a reservation."
Or, I booked a room under the name Anna Smith.
The receptionist may ask, "Can I see your passport?"
Or, how many nights will you stay?
You can ask questions too.
For example, what time is breakfast?
Is Wi-Fi free?
Where is the elevator?
Simple and clear.
Part 3. Asking for directions.
When you visit a new place, you may need directions.
Yes, maps are helpful, but sometimes you need to ask people.
You can say, "Excuse me, where is the bus station?"
Or, how can I get to the city center?
If you are lost, say, "I think I'm lost. Can you help me?"
That is honest and simple.
People are usually kind and happy to help.
And you can say, thank you so much after.
Part 4. Talking about places. When you travel, you want to talk about places.
Yes, maybe with locals or other travelers.
You can say, "This place is beautiful."
Or, the view is amazing.
If you like the food, say, "The food here is delicious."
Or, the people are very friendly.
Simple words can express strong feelings.
You don't need advanced vocabulary.
Food is a big part of travel.
Yes, and ordering food in English is important.
You can say, "Can I see the menu, please?"
Or, what do you recommend?
If you are ready to order, "I would like the chicken, please."
And maybe, can I have water, please?
If something is wrong, you can say politely, "Sorry, I ordered something else."
Always speak calmly and politely.
Traveling is useful for practicing English too.
Yes, maybe with friends.
You can say, "I had a great time."
Or, I learned many new things.
If the trip was difficult, you can say, "It was a little tiring, but worth it."
That sounds natural and balanced.
Travel gives us stories.
And English helps us share those stories.
Travel English does not need to be complicated.
Simple, clear sentences are enough.
Practice basic questions.
Learn useful hotel phrases.
Practice asking for directions.
And talk about places in simple words.
The more you practice small conversations,
The more confident you will feel when traveling.
if you want to improve your English step by step,
Through calm and natural conversations.
please subscribe to Learn English with Ease.
We are here to help you speak more comfortably and confidently.
Thank you for learning with us today.
See you in the next episode.